making deep dish pizzas in the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer. Coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Tonight we are going to be making deep dish pizzas in my Nuwave Brio Air Fryer. Now, the air fryer queen, Booger 500 US, she did some buffalo chicken pizza in her air fryer, and it just inspired me to want to try it in mine, okay? So her link's gonna be right there and down below. Go check out her pizza. She's doing good things over there. She is the air fryer queen. It's who we all worship and want to be like with our air fryers, all right? So, what we're gonna do today, we have some homemade pizza dough by my cousin Pilsbury, and homemade sauce by our Aunt Ragu. And we got some Canadian bacon, or ham as some people might say, and pepperoni, and some sausage that's already been cooked, okay? So we're gonna get you over here. We're gonna build this kind of deep dish style. We're gonna do the cheese and toppings first, and then we'll do the pasta sauce on top with a little Parmesan on top, all right? There's gonna be a lot of stuff in there. It's gonna be very, very tasty, all right? Come on over here and let's get started. We're gonna spray a little Pam in here, all right? Got a little parchment paper that we're gonna put down on the bottom too, all right? We'll get our pizza crust out, our homemade pizza crust. All right, so just unravel your homemade pizza dough, if you can find the seam, all right? And just adjust it in there. Just press it out. Cover up any holes you make. Does not have to be pretty or perfect. All right, guys. So we got this spread out. Made it go up the sides a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna start with our toppings. I'm gonna get our mozzarella in there, like plenty of mozz. So we'll lay that through there. Make sure you take off the paper. Very important. No one likes paper on their pizza. All right, so all the cheese is in there. Let's put some toppings in. Put a little sausage. No rhyme or reason. This is kind of be a little meat lover style. Little pepperoni. My filmographer's over there. Her arm's getting tired, so we gotta get her going a little faster. I'm trying. I'm hurrying. But it's got to be art. Pizza is art. All right. Little Canadian bacon. Whoa. Ham. Canadian ham. Sorry to all my Canadian friends.
It's just ham.
It's just ham. Miss Booger gonna be upset. She's Canadian.
It's ham.
I think she said that on one of her videos I watched, the air fryer pizza.
But it's just ham.
She said, or ham, as some of our U.S. friends. All right. We're gonna do a couple dollops of ricotta. No rhyme or reason. I just like ricotta. All right. Put that there. Now we're gonna put our sauce in. Whoa. Making a mess. I think you can clean this up when you're done. You're not cleaning?
Nope.
I'm cooking, you're cleaning. What the hell? All right, we're sauced up. One last little addition. Little parm in there, just to cover the top. Looking good. All right, let's take a little break. We'll get this in the air fryer and get going. We're gonna put this in here. Get it turned on. It's been preheated already for about 5 minutes. So now we're gonna go cook time, or temp, cook temp to 400. 400. Cook time, we're gonna do 15 minutes. Maybe check on it at about 10, make sure we're not burning or anything like that, but it's good to go. All right, guys, we're 12 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and take a look at it. So come along with me. We'll do a patented flyover. Actually, that's backwards. Looks good. Crisping up on the outside. Okay, I still think we need a good 10 minutes to get that crispy, crunchy crust. Right, come on back. All right, guys, we're done. Let's take a look. Looking good. Crust looks good. Got a nice little caramelization on top. I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, and then we'll cut it and talk about it. All right, come on back.
All right, guys, let's recap the ingredients for our deep dish air fryer pizzas. We got the mozzarella cheese, ricotta, Parmesan, our pre-cooked sausage, Canadian bacon, our pepperoni, our pizza sauce, and our homemade pizza crust.
We did about 20 minutes at 400 in there, okay? And the bottom is cooked, but it's not as crispy as I like. So the next time I do this, I'll be using that air fryer rack that sits in there so it heats it from the bottom. I was trying to do it a little bit more like deep dish style where it heats all the way through and gets a little kind of I don't know, crust on the bottom, if you will. All right, but let's go ahead and get cut in this bad boy. It's crispy and crunchy on the top, just a little bit not as crunchy on the bottom, but no worries. Still gonna be tasty, I know it. Oops. All right, I got a big old ball of ricotta right there. Ricotta, whatever. All right, cheers. It's good stuff, guys. Give this a shot. Damn good. I like it. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.